ceremony of our prestigious project, Gov Cards. We are extremely honored by your gracious presence. Your aura has lent a unique charm to this occasion. Flowers are an expression of love and joy. They are an expression and the bounty of nature which express humility and tenderness of human emotions. May I now request Mrs. Archana Sajiv Kumar to kindly present a token of flowers to our Honorable and respected Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant. May I request all of you to please put your hands together in a big way and accord a warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Minister. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I also request Mrs. Archana to kindly present a floral bouquet to Dr. Brennan Tavares. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. Brennan? Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's indeed nice to see all of you gathered here on this very, very great occasion. Well, we've seen a beautiful banner here of Gov Cards. Now, what is Gov Cards? Gov Card, Goa's most convenient product and service app, was conceptualized by a very dynamic personality, Mr. Sajiv Kumar. He took this opportunity during the lockdown period to think out of the box, as a lot of talent was being showcased by our Goan brethren. During the lockdown, people were struggling to find means to survive for a living. Many people lost their jobs. Many came from overseas and are still struggling to meet their ends. When life hands you lemons, make lemonade. This is a very common saying. And when life hands you dirt, plant seeds. When the pandemic hit the entire world, everybody was learning to cope up with this struggle to survive. So a new idea was born in the mind of Mr. Sajiv Kumar to help the Goans. He knows that Goa is a pool of talent. He wanted all upcoming businesses to give a push and take them to another level, a bigger platform to exhibit and sell their products or services online. He also saw Goans that they are very much open to new ideas. Buying online is no longer a novelty. Talking to a consultant or attending a meeting on Gmeet or Zoom is a welcome alternative. While people have less money to shop, right now they are looking forward for new businesses to engage with ones that cater to their new normal. The main aim was to help people of all walks of life to start up a full-fledged business. Entrepreneurs who are growing, everybody would get a chance to showcase or exhibit their products. In a way, this will be a grand opportunity for the people of Goa to come forward from the hook and corners and not only change their shopping patterns but also build new relationships with new brands. The main stress here is go vocal for local. Go vocal for local. Support our local vendors and help them promote their business and be independent and self-reliant. Women across Goa will find this platform definitely beneficial to sell their products online. The clarion call, if you remember, given by our Honorable Prime Minister of India to use these trying times to become Atmanirbhar, self-reliant, has been very well received to enable the resurgence of Indian economy. Goans have faced the pandemic with fortitude and a spirit of self-reliance. So with Gov Cards, we are all set to take Goa, our local talent, to the world. Well, I suppose I'm clear now with what is Gov Cards. With this, I now invite once again our Honorable, respected Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Brennan Tavares, MD of GovCarts Sajeev Kumar and Mrs. Archana to kindly do the honors of lighting the traditional lamp. It is said light symbolizes knowledge and divinity. It not only dispels darkness, but also illuminates us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Brennan. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Sajeev Kumar. Thank you. The presence of our Honorable and respected Chief Minister is a great matter of pride for us right now. May I invite him to kindly address the August gathering. All right, we have the MD of GovCarts, Mr. Sajeev Kumar, who is going to be addressing now.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Thank the Honorable Chief Minister Pramod Sawant to be present here and making this grand launch a success. And I also thank our Honorable guest, Dr. Brennan Tavares, to give his presence and make his time available to us. This concept I conceptualized during the pandemic, when I was saying all this trouble what the people were facing here, because everybody was running left, right to arrange different types of commodities, groceries and all those things. And after, as the time passed on, we were looking into all these multinational companies were making a big base in the local market and killing the local vendors. The local vendors market was slowly reducing. So I thought of tying up the local vendors along to the getting a bridge, making a bridge between the local vendor and the normal public of Goa. This was the concept which I came up with. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sajeev Kumar. Well, indeed, the lockdown has brought about so much of Goan talent, so much discovered from the people of Goa. Thank you so much for your kind words. And may I invite Dr. Brennan Tavares, renowned gynecologist of Margao, South Goa, to kindly speak a few words. Thank you.
Respected Chief Minister Honorable Pramod Sawant, GoCarts MD Sajeev Kumar, his wife Mrs. Archana, members of the press. It is indeed a great pleasure for Goa to have such a wonderful platform where all the local vendors can now get an opportunity to not only sell their products in their respective places, but they could be advertised all over Goa and delivered all over Goa. So basically, a shop from South Goa can sell his products even in North Goa just online. And when Sajeev came up with this idea in the pandemic, he came to me in the clinic and said, "Doc, I'm going to start this new venture." I told him, brilliant idea. It's thinking out of the box, because this is something which is required, and at times where people would be really frightened to visit the stores for the spread of COVID, sitting at home, you could get everything. You don't even have to start your vehicle and go. I wish him all the best, because this is a truly innovative idea and I'm sure our Honorable Chief Minister would definitely be proud of such a great venture and would encourage these type of ventures, which will not only lift the Goan economy, but also give local produce far greater platform to do business and come up. All the best. Thank you for starting this. All the best once again.
Thank you, Dr. Brennan Tavares, for your kind words. And I'm sure what you said is very true, because Goan vendors are definitely going to be taken to a very higher platform, and definitely we are going to be doing really great in the near future. Thank you so much. I now invite our Honorable and respected Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Sawant, to kindly address us.
For the launching of Goa first e-commerce site, GoCart Shopping Private Limited. हाज्या उक्तावणाच्या सुवाळ्याक माझ्या बरोबर आसात डॉक्टर तावारीस आणि GoCart शॉपिंग प्रायवेट लिमिटेड चे MD किंवा फाउंडर मिस्टर संजीव कुमार, मिसेस अर्चना संजीव कुमार आणि माझ्या समोर आशिल्ले प्रेस मिडिया आणि GoCartचे अदर स्टाफ. सगळ्यात पयली ताका खूब खूब शुभेच्छा. अशा पद्धतीचे ई-कॉमर्स, ई-मार्केटिंग ह्या स्टायलीत गोवान ह्या पद्धतीची पहिली कंपनी सुरू करपा खातीर हांव ताका गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता. कारण म्हणल्यार ताजी इच्छा आशिल्ली की हांवेनच सुरू करपाक जाय आनी म्हाका काय मडगांवान वचप शक्य नाशिल्लें. सो ऑल द वे ताणें आपल्या मडगांवच्यान हांगासर इनॉग्रेशनचो कार्यक्रम दवरलो स्पेशली म्हाज्या खातीर, कारण म्हाज्या हस्ते इनॉग्रेट जावपाक जाय. हाज्या खातीर ती हांव परत एकदां म्हणजे ताका बेस्ट विशीस दिता आनी ताजी GoCart प्रायवेट लिमिटेड ही कंपनी खूब बरी चलची, गोंयकारांनी ताका बरो प्रतिसाद दिवचो. वेळ पडल्यार आमी इंटरनॅशनल कंपनीक बरेचशे फावटी अशा पद्दतीत जे खूब मोठो स्कोप दिता. पण हांव एक 2-3 गजाली मुद्दामून सांगता. कारण माननीय पंतप्रधान मोदीजींच्या आत्मनिर्भर भारत ह्या योजने खाला म्हणजे तांच्यांनी ज्या पद्दतीत आमकां इट इज फॉर द वोकल फॉर लोकल प्रॉडक्टा खातीर तांणी मार्केट प्लॅटफॉर्म जो अवेलेबल करून दिला, ताज्याय खातीर ताका हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता. पण एक म्हत्वाची गजाल त्याच बरोबर म्हणजे जी गोश्ट न्ही तर खरी गजाल, बऱ्याच जाणांक कितें जालां तर ऑनलायन मार्केटींग करपाची संवय जाल्या. सगळे जाण खंयच्या तरी एपाचेरूय घालता, खंयची गाडी विकपाची आनी कितें विकपाचें तें दे आर इन आउटसायड द स्टेट ऑल्सो. आमच्या सायबर क्रायमान एक ऑलरेडी एका मनशाक फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेशांतल्यान सोदून हाडलो. तेणी कितें केलें तर आपली गाडी विकपाची म्हणून सांगली. ताणें नंबरूय दिलो, GA पासिंग आनी समथींग नंबर दिलो, त्या गाडयेचो फोटोग्राफ्स घातलो आनी ताणें हेजेर सांगलें की ही गाडी विकपाची आहा म्हणून. गोंयांत इतके हुशार लोक आसात, तेणी सांगलें पयलीं 80,000 घाल म्हणून. तेणी 80,000 घातले. 80,000 घातले काय तेणी ताका बोगस डॉक्युमेंट आनी हेचे जाल्ले, सगळे डॉक्युमेंट हाडून सांगलें. आनी थोड्या दिसांनी तूं परत ताका सांगलें तेणी 1.5 लाख रुपया घाल. तो मनीस ताका 1.5 लाखूय ट्रान्सफर करता. तेणी सांगलें की आतां आपूण परवां येता तुजी गाडी ट्रान्सफर करपाक, उरलेले पयशे घाल म्हणून. आनी तेणी उरलेले पयशे घातले. म्हणजे 4 लाख रुपया आमच्या गोंयकारान ती गाडी विकत घेवपा खातीर ऑनलायन तेज्या अकावंटाचेरूय घातले. आनी मागीर तेज्या लक्षान आयलें की ती गाडीय ना आनी तो मनीसूय ना. तेणी मागीर तेज्या उपरांत कंप्लेन दिली की हे फ्रॉड आपल्याच्या कडल्यान जाला, तेन्ना खंय आगा म्हणून. आमच्या सायबर क्रायमान त्या मनशाक हितूंतल्यान उत्तर प्रदेशांतल्या एका ल्हानशा शहरांतल्यान सोदून हाडलो ताका हांगासर दवरलो. तो येना फुडें ताचो एडवोकेटूय थंयच्यान आयलो तेज्या वांगडा. काय ना, तो एक दीस भितर उरलो. त्या एडवोकेटान ताका बेल दिली आनी ताका सोडलो. जाल्यार तो दुसरे दीस गेलो, तेजी कोर्टान केस चालू आहा. म्हणजे एक सांगता हांव, तेणी अशा पद्दतीचे भायल्यान लोक म्हणजे जे गोंया भायर बसून असो बिझनेस करता ताज्या पासून आमी सावध रावपाक जाय. तेन्ना आमचो स्वताचो मनीस जेन्ना गोंयान अशा पद्दतीचो ई-कॉमर्स बिझनेस करता, म्हाका दिसता ताका प्रमोट करप हें आमचें सगळ्यांचें काम आसा. आमी खंयच्याय वगीच आहारी न वता. हे खूब जाणांक कितें जाता तर ऑनलायन बिझनेसाच्या सकयल ह्या सकयल वेगवेगळे ज्या मनशाक वळखच ना ताज्या कडेन रिलेशन नो डेवलप करता. म्हाका दिसता ओन आनी ब्रँडेड गोंयांत स्वता जी कंपनी प्रायवेट लिमिटेड म्हणून एस्टाब्लीश करता, ज्याचें स्वता ऑफिस तो गोंयांत घालता आनी आमच्या समक्ष सगळ्यांच्या समोर लॉन्च करता आनी एक सर्वीस दिवपा खातीर. आनी हे सर्वीस दिता आसतना म्हणजे लोकांक सर्वीस इतकेच न्ही तर लोकल जे आमचे शॉप वेंडर्स आसात वेगवेगळे तांकां तो आपल्या कडेन रजिस्टर्ड करून घेता. म्हणजे business is also from the people shop owners from the Goa, not from outside the Goa. तो भायल्या लोकांचे प्रॉडक्ट घेवन हांगा आमी ताका तेज्या पयलीं विचारलें की नक्की कन्सेप्ट कितें. तर मला आपल्याकडे जितके रजिस्टर्ड वेंडर्स आसा दे ऑल आर फ्रॉम द गोवन. आय एम गिविंग द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर देम ओनली, नॉट फ्रॉम द आउट ऑफ द गोवा. म्हणजे तो प्रॉडक्ट जो सेल करतलो तोय बी ओनली एंड ओनली दोज कंपनीज दोज शॉप ओनर हू आर रजिस्टर्ड इन गोवा. म्हणजे इन केस फाल्यां सकाळी जरी आमी म्हणटा की कितें प्रॉब्लेम जालो जाल्यार परत कोणाक सोदतलो जाल्यार इवन दो ताणें म्हटलां की तुमी प्रॉडक्ट कोणा कडल्यान घेता ही वील डिस्प्ले हीज नेम. म्हणजे खंयच्या कंपनीन खंयच्या शॉपा वयले आनी कोणा कडल्यान तुका तेणी हाडून दिला. म्हणजे दीस टायप ऑफ सर्विसीस ही इज प्रोवायडींग. म्हाका दिसता गो कार्ट ही अशा पद्दतीची कंपनी फ्लरीश जावची आणि विच वील गिव द ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी फॉर द गोवन यूथ ऑल्सो फॉर द एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी. नक्कीच एक बरी सुरवात ताणें आत्मनिर्भर भारत आणि वोकल फॉर लोकल ह्या कन्सेप्टाच्या सकयल केल्या आणि नक्कीच गोंयकार तांकां बरो प्रतिसाद दितलो इतकेंच सांगता. आणि हांव परत एकदां म्हणजे नवरात्रीच्योय तुमकां त्या निमित्तान आज तिसरो दीस तुमकां सगळ्या जाणांक शुभेच्छा दिता. आणि गोकार्ट ह्या कंपनीच्या सगळ्या त्यांचे वेल विशर्स आणि त्यांच्या कंपनीचे स्टाफ एम्प्लॉईज CEO तांकां सगळ्या जाणांक खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आणि माझी 2 उतरां सोंपयता. देव बरें करूं.
Go-Kart, Goa's premier online shopping experience. With Go-Kart, shop in the comforts of your home from any local stores of your choice and get them delivered at your doorstep. Now, your entire market in a single app. Now,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
present